Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of mini marshmallows, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of whole milk. These simple components are the foundation for a deliciously smooth and sweet sauce. Ensure everything is measured accurately for the best results. This quick preparation sets you up for success. Now, let's start melting. Combine your marshmallows, butter, and milk in a medium saucepan. Place the pan over low to medium-low heat. It's crucial to stir constantly during this stage to prevent sticking and ensure even melting. Continue stirring until the mixture is completely smooth and all the marshmallows have dissolved, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Patience here yields a perfect consistency. Once your mixture is smooth, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. This prevents overcooking and maintains that creamy texture. Now, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Finally, whisk the sauce vigorously for about 30 seconds. This crucial step helps eliminate any tiny lumps and ensures your marshmallow sauce is incredibly silky and smooth. Your delicious marshmallow sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm over your favorite desserts like ice cream, brownies, or fresh fruit. For any leftovers, simply transfer the sauce to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh for 3 to 5 days. When you're ready to use it again, gently reheat it on the stovetop or in the microwave. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.